Hi and welcome to CentLinux. Today, I'll guide you through the complete process of installing PostgreSQL on Rocky Linux 10. We'll go step by step, so even if you're new, you'll be up and running in no time. Let's start by verifying the Linux distribution and kernel version used in this tutorial. Set a fully qualified domain name for your database server based on your organization's naming standards. Before installing PostgreSQL, update your Linux software packages to ensure the latest features and security fixes. The system update has upgraded our Linux kernel, so you should reboot your OS with the new kernel before continuing this tutorial. Since the reboot disconnected us, use restart session to regain access to the Linux server. Our Linux server is now using updated kernel. Next, we'll install the required packages for PostgreSQL. Let's proceed with installing the PostgreSQL database server. Initializing PostgreSQL database. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more free Linux tips and tutorials. Enable and start Postgres service. Set a strong password for your Postgres admin user. Creating a PostgreSQL database. Creating a PostgreSQL user. Granting all privileges on my DB to my user. Configuring the Linux firewall to allow PostgreSQL service ports. Meanwhile, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more free Linux tips and tutorials.